Alright, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon po. Welcome po sa Summit Point Golf and Country Club para sa celebration po ng ating 70th birthday ni Ma'am Pai, no? And it's all because of you. Okay, wag na nating patagalin para mag-party na tayo ngayong araw. Ano? Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to introduce to you. Let's give some noise and give it up for Mami Pai Aranda with his loving husband, Daddy Tony! Celebrate tonight like a picture that I've painted in my wildest dreams.
Alam nyo na, yung iba, kung ilang taon na kami magkasama, bakit hanggang ngayon kami magkasama pa rin? Siguro, kaya medyo umabot kami ng mid-year bonus eh. Mukhang hindi kami nagkakagalit eh. Kami po'y nagpapasalamat. Lalo tigit sa misis ko na nagdiwang ng karuan. Happy birthday!
I'm wishing you more blessings and I love you very much. Thank you because you always support me. We always have our nails and lashes done together and I'm so grateful for that. Happy birthday, Lola. I love you. Your wisdom, grace, and kindness continue to inspire who you know. Here's to more years of happiness and health. Happy birthday, Lola Pai. I love you and I know I'm your favorite.
Hi, Lola. Happy 70th birthday. I hope you have the best birthday of your life. And I wish you more blessings. And I know that I'm your favorite. True? It's true.
I'm here in every Heavenly Father, on this special day, we lift up our Momsy. We thank you for the gift of her life, for the love and care she showed to us, and for the countless blessings she brings to our family.
Celebrate, celebrate tonight.
My wish for you is good health, my love. Good health. Please take good care of yourself. No, I love you.
Mare, you're so blessed. You have a beautiful family. And you have Pareng Tony na hindi ka iniiwan. So happy birthday, Mare, and God bless you more.
Gusto naming batiin ng maligayang happy birthday ang ating magandang celebrant na si Pai Aranda. Thank you very much. Happy birthday.
You make me wanna celebrate, celebrate, celebrate.
Happy birthday, my dear friend. At lagi niya akong dinadaanan din sa kanyang pag minsan pupunta sa kanyang dito, sa office. So, thank you very much. And more blessing, more health, at more birthdays to come. And you have everything in your life. So, enjoy your life always. Love you.
Yung regalo ko sa'yo, magugustuhan mo. Kasi, kahit si paring Tony, kasya. Pero hindi yung kumot. Baka nga masundan pa niyo si Angel kasi lagi kayong magkasama ngayon. Yun lang po. Happy birthday, Mare. Sana sa susunod na mga taon, ganyan ka pa rin. Masaya.
You make me wanna celebrate, celebrate.